Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to study about past tense. The last class we studied about present tense. There are three kinds of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present tense divided into four: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. And past tense is also divided into four: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Future tense also divided into four: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Today we are going to study about past tense. What is in the past tense? Then action occurred yesterday, or day for yesterday, or last month, or which happened olden days. So present, past, future. That means today, yesterday, tomorrow. What is happening, that is present. What already happened, that is past. What is going to happen, that is future. Before studying about the forms of different forms of past tense, we will introduce first of all which are the personal pronouns. Which are the personal pronouns? I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are the personal pronouns. And there are three kinds of irregular verbs we have. That is known as first form of the verb, second form of the verb, and third form of the verb. There are three forms of verbs are there. Some of the verb, all the forms are different. In some of the verbs we can see two forms are same and one form is different. In some places, some of the verbs, all the forms are same. So first we will see which are the few verbs which are all same. For example, we can see that shut, shut, shut. Other one, if you see put, 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 cut, cut, cut. Here all the three forms are same. We will see that two forms are same, one form is different. Most probably many in past tense, mainly when you add ed, automatically you may get the second form. For example, can you say any of the two verbs? Two forms are same. For example, see, play, played, played. These two forms are same. Another one, visit, visited, visited. These two forms are same. Can you tell me any other two forms we can say about that? Wait, waited, waited, lead, led, led. Others we can say decide, decided, decided. Next we will see one or two words which all the forms are different. What can be? It can be shake, shook, shaken, or another one, what can be? Write, wrote, written, or go, went, gone. So here, first form of the verb, second form of the verb, third form of the verb. See the differences? Just have a glance at this. And now we will start about studying about what is the first form, simple past. What is the form of the simple past? What is the formula of simple past? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. This is the formula of a simple past. Shall we make a sentence? For example, I write a letter. This is a simple present. How to change into simple present continuous, what changes will come? I write a letter. When you change into present continuous, I am writing a letter. Change into present perfect, I have written a letter. Change into present perfect continuous, I have been writing a letter. I write a letter. I am writing a letter. I have written a letter. I have been writing a letter. So, if it changes into simple past, what will happen? I write change into second form. I change into I wrote a letter. I wrote a letter. What is the second past continuous formula? Subject plus was or where plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Shall we make a sentence? I wrote a letter. In present tense, I write a letter. What are the changes will come? I was or were, which is suitable for when the subject is I. I was or I were. I was writing a letter. For example, we look at that personal pronoun. If the we is the subject, what will come? We were writing a letter. If the subject is you were writing a letter. If the subject is they were writing a letter. If the subject is he was writing a letter. If the subject is she was writing a letter. Now we look at on the past perfect. What is the formula? Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. V3 means third form of the verb. So, I had written a letter. I had written a letter. So, the same way, if I had written a letter, if change into we had written. If it is you had written. If it is they had written a letter. If it is he had written a letter. If it is she had written a letter. So here, I, we, you, they, he, she, whoever subjects come, there won't be any changes in had. But if we are studied in present tense, present perfect, the same sentence, I have written a letter. If it is you have written. If it is he has written a letter. He, have and has will changes. But in the past tense, there won't be any change. And the last one is past perfect continuous. What is the formula? Subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object. How to make sentence? I had been writing a letter. So, shall we change a sentence? For example, I play cricket changes into simple past. I played cricket. I was playing cricket. I had played cricket. I had been playing cricket. The sentence change. For example, I go to school. When we change into simple past, I went to school. I was going to school. I had gone to school. I had been going to school. So, when we are using simple past, what is the rule of simple past? When we are using a simple past, when an activity just completed, an activity is finished, then we are using simple past. When we are using past continuous, an action that is happening in the past. There is an action that is happening in the past. For example, I was writing letter. The action is happening. I was going to school. I was playing cricket. An action that is happening in the past. That time we are using past continuous. When we are using past perfect tense, we are using an action occurred before another action in the past. An action occurred before another action in the past. Because I had written a letter. Not today, yesterday I had written. Action is already completed. The last one, past perfect continuous. when we are using an action is continued for a specific period of time, a little longer period of a time, then we are using past perfect continuous. I had been writing a letter, that is why. So today we have studied about the past tense, the four forms: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. I hope you understood, and tomorrow we will come with a new lesson. Tomorrow we will study about the third tense, future tense. Thank you.